Losing weight fast can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise, but it's important to note that rapid weight loss isn't always sustainable or healthy in the long term. It's best to aim for a slow and steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Here are some tips to help you lose weight fast. Cut calories. The most effective way to lose weight is to reduce the number of calories you consume. This can be done by eating smaller portions, avoiding high-calorie foods, and tracking your food intake. Increase physical activity. Incorporating more physical activity into your daily routine can help you burn more calories and lose weight faster. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, each day. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Eat more protein. Eating protein can help you feel full and satisfied, which can reduce your calorie intake and promote weight loss. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, and beans. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can make it difficult to lose weight. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in weight loss, as lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and increase your appetite. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Stay motivated. Losing weight can be challenging, so it's important to stay motivated and track your progress. Consider setting realistic goals and celebrating your successes along the way. One additional tip for losing weight fast is to consider incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine. This involves limiting the window of time in which you eat each day, typically to 8 to 10 hours, and fasting for the remaining 14 to 16 hours. This can help you reduce your calorie intake and promote weight loss. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet or exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Another tip for losing weight fast is to prioritize strength training in addition to cardiovascular exercise. Building muscle can increase your metabolism and help you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're at rest. Aim to strength train at least 2 to 3 times per week, focusing on exercises that target multiple muscle groups, such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and pull-ups. You can use free weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight for resistance. Remember to start with light weights and gradually increase the intensity over time to avoid injury. A final tip for losing weight fast is to practice mindfulness and avoid emotional eating. Many people turn to food as a way to cope with stress, boredom, or other emotions, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. Try to identify the triggers that cause you to eat emotionally and find alternative ways to manage your emotions, such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues and savoring each bite of food. This can help you enjoy your meals more and prevent overeating. Another helpful tip for losing weight fast is to keep a food diary or use a calorie tracking app to monitor your food intake. This can help you become more aware of the types and amounts of food you're consuming, and make it easier to stay within your calorie goals. Some apps even allow you to scan barcodes of food products to quickly and accurately track your intake. Additionally, seeing your progress over time can be motivating and help you stay on track with your weight loss journey. Remember to be honest with yourself and track everything you eat, even if it's just a small snack or bite. One more tip for losing weight fast is to focus on lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. Sustainable weight loss requires a long-term commitment to healthy habits, not just a short-term diet or exercise program. Consider making small changes to your daily routine, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, packing your own healthy meals instead of eating out, or going for a walk after dinner instead of watching TV. These small changes can add up over time and help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember that consistency is key, and don't get discouraged if you experience setbacks or plateaus. Keep focusing on healthy habits and making progress towards your goals. Another tip for losing weight fast is to stay hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Additionally, dehydration can cause fatigue and sluggishness, which can make it harder to stay active and motivated. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, and consider drinking a glass of water before meals to help reduce your calorie intake. You can also add flavor to your water with lemon, lime, or other fruits for a refreshing and healthy beverage option. A final tip for losing weight fast is to surround yourself with a supportive community. This can include family, friends, or even online groups that share your weight loss goals and provide encouragement and accountability. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and accountable, and provide valuable tips and advice for overcoming challenges along the way. Consider joining a fitness class, a weight loss group, or an online forum to connect with others who are on a similar journey. Remember that losing weight can be a challenging process, but having a supportive community can make it easier and more enjoyable. Another helpful tip for losing weight fast is to practice stress management techniques. Stress can trigger emotional eating and disrupt sleep, which can contribute to weight gain. Therefore, it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or taking a relaxing bath. Regular exercise can also be an effective way to reduce stress and improve mood. Additionally, getting enough sleep can help reduce stress levels and support healthy weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and try to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Remember that taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health on your weight loss journey. A final tip for losing weight fast is to avoid comparing yourself to others. Weight loss is a personal journey and everyone's progress and goals are different. Comparing yourself to others can lead to feelings of inadequacy and discourage you from continuing with your weight loss efforts. Instead, focus on your own progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember that sustainable weight loss is a gradual process and may take time, but with consistency and patience, you can achieve your goals. Keep a positive attitude and believe in yourself.